Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to save media files from Viber to gallery. I wonder why you want to know how to auto save media files from Viber to image gallery. It is because you have received a media file like a video or image on Viber and you want to save into your media gallery so you could use on any other social media platform or maybe on the internet. So you're looking for it, or maybe there's any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First thing, you have to make sure that you have already installed Viber, and if you have not installed it then you can still install it from Google Play or App Store. And once you install it, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with this account. So just simply tap on the icon of the Viber app to open it. Once you open it, you will see its interface. This is how Viber looks. Right now we are into the chat section where all the chats that you have done on the app appears. Along with that, on the right side you will see calls. If you tap on it, you will see all the call logs that you have done on the app will appear here. But we have to click on this third option. So just simply click on it. So we will get two other options and we could see how we can do our work. So here we can see we have a lot of different options here. From all these options, what we have to do is we have to click on the settings, which is in between all these options. You just have to simply tap on it, so we will get into the settings. On the top it is written settings. That means we're at the right section and we have a lot of different options in the settings. Every option has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options we have to click on the media. It is in between all these options, so just simply click on it and we will get into the settings and options that are all related to the media in this app. From all these options, what we have to do is we have to select this option which says save to gallery. Right now this option is turned off. That means if I receive any kind of media file like a video and a picture, it will be not saved into my photo gallery of the mobile. It will be only saved on the Viber app, and if I want to post or paste that image or that video onto any other place, so I have to download it. So for that I have to turn this option on, then I will be able to post these things onto other social media and internet. But if you want to turn this option off, you can turn this option off, because sometimes we receive a lot of media files and that cause a lot of space in our mobile phone gallery. So if you don't want a mess in your mobile phone photo gallery, so you can keep this option turned off. But if you want to save the files to your mobile phone gallery, then you can turn on this option. You just have to simply tap on this option and then it will get turned off, and if you again click on it, it will get turned on. You can choose any one of these options, it's all up to you. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can auto save media files from Viber to your mobile phone photo gallery. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.